Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and while I got your attention, could you just smash that subscribe button? That would help this channel out quite a bit. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I use to cook my meals in the backcountry. This is still my all-time favorite stove right here, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. It only weighs 2.6 ounces. And man, this thing is just made well, put together well, machined well. You could just tell. I've used some of the cheaper ones. I just don't have the confidence with them as I do with this one right here. Of course, it comes with its limitations for being as small as it is. I think higher elevations and real windy situations, you're probably going to want to have some kind of windscreen with it. But just as far as being just ultralight, a solid stove, this right here has become my favorite and my staple. And the pot that I cook with is the Tokes, a 750 mil titanium pot. I mean, this thing is so light, it's crazy. It actually only weighs 3.6 ounces. So for a pot that is 750 milliliters, that is crazy. And you know, of course, on the side you got your measurements, but I know that for me sometimes I have to figure out the conversion because I only know cups, and I think these are in milliliters, so you got to kind of do a little conversion with that. Nice little lid with a little handle there and some holes, I guess, to strain with. I don't ever strain the water out. I just, if it ain't ramen noodles, it's probably some kind of dehydrated meal, and all you need is boiling water for either one of them. So I don't need no skillets or anything like that. This right here does the job. And what I carry this baby in is a Dyneema pot sack made by Hilltop Packs, and this little thing is so light. I mean, it's like feather light. And of course, Dyneema is a tough material, so you know, this right here probably lasts me a lifetime. I don't know, I ain't got any of the prices on these, but I will have links in the description if you want to check it out and see if it's in your price range. None of this is really expensive. I'm wanting to say this is under 20 bucks for sure. This may be around the $20 to $25 range, and this right here is probably somewhere around 45 bucks or 50. You know, just check it out. Check out the links if it's something you want to use. And man, I love this little system. It weighs nothing hardly. I think all together it weighs 6.6 ounces, and it gives me all that I need in the backcountry. And look at that. I mean, it's almost cute. It's almost cute, it's so little. But yeah, I love this jewel. And I forgot to mention this little thing that I always carry with me. It's just one of your regular old, you know, I don't know what you call these things, scrub pads that you get for your kitchen. And I just cut it into a little sliver and just throw it inside my pot, and when I need to wash it out, I just scrub around in there and toss the water out.